I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop it ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk him down, make him run that.
Oh, cruiser blood cutting up. Why you make a beat like this? He cutting up. Damn. Hey. I ain't been in the mix of shit like this since like 2005, but ironically these are all my homies that are still in the mix of this shit. He gonna force you to get some kickstanding in. I want to get some mileage in. I don't want to waste no time a day, but you want that kickstand action. And so people will ask, you know, certain things like, why didn't you get an S1000? Why don't you get an R1? Man, S1000 or M1000, look at my two homies right here. Between the two of them, they have 4 Beamers. I'm not, come on, cuz. The Beamer market's oversaturated. So my homies will hold it down. They got the joints. I don't need to add to another one, you know what I'm saying? So those new to the channel, I used to be a Rough Rider. E right here, he's the original one that got me into it. Or I shouldn't say him, but he was one of the original Rough Riders here in Oakland. And I became a Rough Rider under E. You know, I don't do the motorcycle club shit no more because I'm into riding when I want to ride, riding how I want to ride, riding why I want to ride. I don't do the motorcycle club shit, but they all still the homies. And you know, back in my time frame, bruh, that DMX Rough Rider Anthem video is what made everybody from the hood that liked motorcycles become a motorcycle nigga. So that was single-handedly the waviest situation, that if you already had a motorcycle, you was looked at as one of them. We were really unruly because that's how we thought that the situation was supposed to go. It was good while it was raw and all about the situation that we thought it was about, but it moved in a different direction. Nobody's mad at it. It just became what it was. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh fucking no! I'm not laughing at him. I'm not laughing at the homies. I will never stop for these weird niggas doing dumb shit like that. Well, total different damn environment. The more and more miles that I get under me with this bike, it makes so much more sense. So this has just enough power. Well, actually, we haven't even gotten into the power because we're only revving at 6,000 RPM, but it's the torque. So you have so much torque that you could grab any gear and it just starts scooting. And then this being my first quick shifter, I'm having a lot of fun with just going bam, 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 scooting. It's fun as hell. It makes a lot of sense. I'm having fun with the tech. This is dope because it has a USB-C charger in the seat, so I just have the cord out plugged into my phone in my pocket while I'm riding. Phone was on 19% when we left the house, when we left my boy's house, and it's on 55% now, so it's a quick charger. Just getting a couple miles in, and it's a short trip, because believe it or not, how crazy this looks. It looks like we in Nova Scotia or Alaska or something. This is really just up the road, a couple cities over. For the street, if you commuted in a very like dense inner city or whatever, you can't have more fun than this. This is overpowered. I haven't experienced like race or track mode. Currently in street, first and second gear, it has power 2, which the reviewer said was depowered. It has power 2, it still has lift control and traction control and everything on. You feel in first and second gear, you feel it being held back. Then once you pop third gear, it shoots. So I can't wait to break it in so that we can kind of tune it and do some other things. My original plan, now I'm gonna be an odd one, probably the only one on the internet that's even gonna say something like this. I like how the factory exhaust is. I like the little pew pew shooting down to the ground. If there is an aftermarket exhaust that is way better looking than this, somebody's gonna make a ton of money. I actually like that underslung thing, but somebody needs to make a clean muffler that hangs down in that area that keeps that portion filled and you know, looks fuller. Like, I would prefer a belly pan, but if somebody made an exhaust that was like an aero design that had the mufflers there and kept that space full and shot to the ground and got the sound, you earn my money quickly. That's just my initial thought. Front brakes, fan-fucking-tastic. Rear brakes, boom, 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 boom. I don't know if that's the ABS, or I don't know if I haven't used them enough to bed them in and seat them, but they suck. I think I just haven't used them enough. These brakes don't feel like they bite hard enough, but I'll explore that later. Currently, I really like it. So we up in the clouds in the sky. We're gonna get back down in a little bit, and I'll see y'all back at the house. Well, we back at the crib. Really fun little ride. It makes me want to just like gun it and go. It's a really, really fun ass bike to ride, man. I like it. I like it a lot. It's not a bike that has to grow on you. You either already like it and then like really like it, or you know, you may not like it for whatever reason, and then once you get on it, you really love it. I know every time you guys see the bike, it's something different. We got the seat cowl done. We got the Mototron bar end protector on there for the brake lever. Finally got the little nipples off the bottom. This bike is coming right along, but there's almost to the end of the things that I want to put on. Really thinking about the rear brake pads. I'm going to try that first. So you've seen the video yesterday, the video of me going through all of the suite of electronics, all of the information to make the bike do what it does. And I haven't done it yet. So as you've seen that video yesterday, this video today, I haven't done that yet because, believe it or not, that video yesterday was filmed after today. So it's I'm putting these videos up kind of in order the way I want to present them to you guys, but things are happening in different time frames. The brake pedal range of motion doesn't really trip me out, but it's just how it feels. You have to push really far for it to feel like it's doing something. Now, trust me, if I wheelie the bike I don't want to be second guessing that brake pedal. So that's why I want to work with that. And if all else fails, I have EBC double H centers on the back of this bike. So that might be what I put on here just for the rear. The front is phenomenal. But we haven't gotten it into real track conditions. I am zooming around, going kind of quick, but I'm not really pushing the bike that hard. We'll see what happens when I get on the track. I got invited to go to Thunder Hill this weekend, but this weekend is, I think, Father's Day. And then I already got contracted to go to Sonoma and do some drifting and judge some drifting. So I got to get my miles in this week currently, because this weekend I'm not going to be able to really ride that much because I got to do some car stuff. If you're not already sold on this, that's cool. But I'm hoping that you're enjoying the content, because I'm just kind of giving you a real, like, I didn't talk too much when I was riding because I didn't want to give you that information while I was enjoying myself. I was really enjoying myself, just buzzing around, having a blast. So I did change the suspension. I brought the compression out a little bit, make it a little softer. I don't want it to move that slow. It was super slow, so it was rigid, which made the bike just feel like I was riding a BMX. The bike was going over stuff, boom, 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 super hard. And I don't need it to be that hard. So I did that, and I think I left the rear as is. The rear is okay, it was just the front. This right here under the seat cowl, I could pull out my USB so I could still charge my phone, and then I could just push it right back in there. Just keeping it usable, because the seat cowl is a semi-permanent install. You have to apply hardware. I probably should have filmed it as a video, but again, it's me being me how I am. But you know, it's kind of hidden. You don't really see it. It's hanging out there, but it's really a usable thing, man. I don't know. I should have never known that it had that. I would never use it. I wouldn't care. But now that I know that it's back there, and plus the GPS is always using the phone and the phone's data, it does kill the battery on the phone a little bit. So having the charger on there is prime shit. So track day soon, because friends are already inviting me down. Like, come on down, man. Bring the bike, break it in, get the mileage done. Let's get out there and ride. So I think the next track day that we do, we'll choose you, we'll choose you, and we'll choose you. Red, white, and blue. That's going to be the options for the track day. Anyway, man, fun, enjoyable day. Back at the crib, everything's done. We're going to get y'all two when we out. I'm going to see y'all. Matter of fact, I'm going to see y'all in the next video, because I've been uploading one video a day. I want you guys to come watch these videos. See the experience with this MTO 9. Whoop. So now for real this time, I'm going to get y'all two and we out.
Jason Martin, better known as. Still got me stored in her phone ass.